Gakia I dose ke nan Luciana.
तो ताजो मजा क्या ही हुआ तानियो उमूर पटा
ਉਹ ਜੀ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਤੇ ਮੱਖਣ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਣਦਾ ਪਰ ਅਮੁਲ ਮੱਖਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਹੀ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਹੈ
सब गिराएगा अमूल ही मांगता है ना
I love this season.
আমুল দই খুব ভালো খেতে
Amul is the best milk in Singapore.
I prefer Amul because it has a pure taste of India.
The year 1946. Gujarat, the seat of an epic struggle. The air is rife with the cry for liberation. A revolution is in the making. A young man reared in the Gandhian tradition is in the thick of a nationalist movement, organizing farmers.
It all started from here. History. Look, there he is, our Tribhuvandas Patel. There he goes with the grievances of the farmers to meet Vallabhbhai Patel.
There is only one solution to this, Tribhuvan. To remove Paulson. Dairy should belong to you. Your own cooperative dairy. So that the profits, instead of going to the middleman, should go to all of you.
Born out of a dream for the economic liberation of the farmers, the protest movement gained strength and matured into a mass movement. The battle lines were drawn, the mighty British Empire against a handful of farmers.
All of you, think very carefully. If you are prepared for risks and losses, then I am ready to stand by all of you.
Vallabhbhai, instead of dying bit by bit every day, we would rather die only once.
This revolutionary idea brought under its fold visionaries like Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India, and Morarji Desai, then freedom fighter, and later to be Prime Minister of India.
Brothers, first and foremost, in every village of Kheda district, a cooperative milk society will be formed. For these societies, a district union in Anand will be formed. And our third proposal, to become the member of this union, any kind of caste, creed, custom, religion, or being rich or poor will not be the barrier. Our fourth and final proposal would be the condition that the Bombay government should agree to buy milk from us. This means from our cooperatives. If they do not agree to buy milk from us, then we will rebel against it. No cooperation, no progress.
No cooperation, no progress.
The call for a full-scale rebellion thundered through the heart of Gujarat. Milk collection came to a grinding halt. The Paulson dairy was on the verge of collapse. On the 15th day of the strike, the British had to buckle.
Oh! Yes! Indian bullshit, sir! हम आप लोगों के लिए सरकार का पैगाम लाए हैं। अगर आप लोगों ने 24 घंटे के अंदर स्ट्राइक खत्म नहीं की तो सरकार एक्शन लेने पे मजबूर हो जाएगी। मिल्क कमिश्नर साहब, खरोड़ी साहब, एक्शन सरकार क्या लेगी? दूध परिवार अधिकार व्यापार है, दूध सहकार करतार हथियार है, दूध सुख दुख भूख प्यास और प्यार है, दूध ख्वाब है दुआब है सवाल है जवाब है, जब बागों में बगान में खेतों में खदान में. Let us accept the demands. Are you out of your mind? No, sir. They are. उन्हें कोऑपरेटिव बनाने दो. देखते हैं कितने दिन चलेगी. ये डेनमार्क या न्यूजीलैंड नहीं है सर, ये इंडिया है. केरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज अ रिमोट एरिया इन गुजरात सर. ये बिना पढ़े लिखे लोग जिन्हें इंग्लिश भी नहीं आती क्या कोऑपरेटिव चलाएंगे. यू विल सी सर, इनकी कोऑपरेटिव 2 दिन भी नहीं चली. Yes, I think you could be right. ठीक है.
It is an awakening for India and a new call of freedom for the Indian farmer from the shackles of the middlemen. While the rest of the nation was gearing up for industrialization, Dr. Varghese Kurian, the father of the White Revolution, placed all his trust in the simple farmers.
Co-ops to a fellow like me is a matter of faith. It is almost a religion. And unless you have faith, certain things cannot be done.
What started off as a humble farmers' cooperative grew to become Amul, a brand built by the farmers, a brand truly Indian. From the milk delivered at your door to the smiling faces of the rural women is a magical journey that has taken India to the milestone of being the world's largest milk producer. Each day here is a revelation of how the Amul wheel, set in motion in a village like this, travels many terrains across the country to reach your home. Thousands of automatic milk collection systems at village societies capture member information, milk fat content, and the amount payable to each farmer. Transaction that once took almost a month is over in a matter of seconds. From dawn to dusk, this winding line steadily flows forward, and fresh milk continues to make its way on its never-ending journey of health and happiness. The unimaginable happens tirelessly every day with clockwork precision.
The milk collected from more than 3 million farmers across 15,000 villages is tested, graded and transported over 1,500 routes to more than 40 dairy plants.
At the processing plants, the milk is once again tested for quality, processed and packaged. The work reaches a frenzied pitch as milk pouches are sorted and loaded onto the milk delivery vans. Thus begins the exciting but tireless journey across the length and breadth of the country into the hearts and homes of India. The vans travel through the night, arriving in the wee hours of the morning, right on time, so that you can savor your morning cup of tea, blissfully unaware of the amazing drama behind this packet of milk. Amul follows an innovative 3-tier organization structure known as the Anand pattern that marries the productive genius of farmers with professional management and modern technology. The replication of the Anand pattern across the country led to the success of Operation Flood. This heralded what is known as the White Revolution, and India emerged as the world's largest milk-producing nation. At Amul, every single drop of milk brought in by the villagers is used to create something exceptional for the consumer. It is not just about diversifying into new products. It is more about their relevance in people's lives and on the economic independence they bring the farmers. The aim is to cater to the needs of the customer with value-added products without a fancy price tag. Here, quality is a way of life. At every level in this massive collection, processing and distribution network, the highest standards of hygiene are maintained.
The 2.5 million litre per day Mother Dairy plant at Gandhinagar, India's most modern dairy, has set the standards of excellence in processing and packaging.
The easy-to-use, convenient Tetra Pak was introduced to give the cooperative dairy a competitive edge. Amul houses Asia's biggest powder milk plant. It was at Amul that for the first time in the world, buffalo milk was processed, a memorable landmark in the Amul movement. The Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, or GCMMF, runs on the binding principle that it exists solely because of the farmers, its future inextricably linked to their future. Here, boardroom decisions are made keeping a social mission in mind. The Amul girl, with her tongue-in-cheek observations, underlines this philosophy in a light-hearted spirit. Amul is constantly reinventing and nourishing its brand equity in a fashion that no marketing guru or book can ever teach. Millions today consume Amul. It has transcended its myriad product forms and endeared itself into the heart of India. And now, an innovative concept called the Amul Parlours. These trendy spaces have become lifestyle hubs for the young and the old to experience and enjoy the range of Amul products, all under one roof.
Every day, Amul collects milk from more than 3 million farmers, converts it into branded packaged products and delivers them to over 1 million retail outlets across the country.
As one of the finest distribution networks in the country, it ensures the same quality of product is available at the farthest corners of the nation. From the scenic Dal Lake in Kashmir, North India, to the quiet backwaters of Kerala in southern India.
ഞാൻ അമൂലിൻ്റെ ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ടറാണ് എറണാകുളത്തുള്ള. അമൂലിൻ്റെ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സ് കണ്ണടച്ച് വിശ്വാസത്തോടു കൂടി പർച്ചേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
When Amul crossed the seas, at first it was to cater to loyal customers abroad who were far away and craving for the familiar taste of their childhood. Gradually, the world started recognizing and relishing the taste of India. It is a heartwarming sight to see Amul making its presence felt in the largest malls in the world.
I've been using Amul for the last 5 to 6 months. It's been fantastic. It's very handy just to have it in the cupboard. It's been great.
Amul butter is the best in Singapore.
Since we launched the Amul product in Singapore, it's doing wonders. We are selling more than 370,000 liters per month. Most of our clients are foreigners, Indians, and all of them love the Amul product in Singapore.
I've been using Amul since I've been in Dubai, and it's really good stuff.
Our 57 outlets, we are promoting Amul products. As an Indian, I am very proud to say that the taste of Amul is accepted not only Indians but also the local Arabs.
How does a collective of farmers create a brand that becomes iconic? A brand that is truly the taste of India. Though a major global player, Amul is deeply rooted in the farming community. For every rupee earned in sales, 80 paise goes back to the farmers. In this value chain, cattle is of utmost importance and is nurtured and reared with care. Mobile veterinary vans are a common sight here, rendering crucial animal health care at the farmer's doorstep. Artificial insemination has maintained a high breed of cattle. The feed concentrate, manufactured in the cattle feed plant, provides a nutritious feed rich in proteins. This balanced diet has ensured a higher yield and increased the quality of milk, which reflects in the products made. At Amul, people matter. The 3 million villagers who provide milk are the proud owners of this
4 billion litre cooperative.
Amul is indeed a brand with a difference. A brand whose history is synonymous with Indian independence. A brand that has transformed the lives of millions and continues to do so by training young minds in the spirit of the movement.
For more than 30 years now,
the Institute of Rural Management, IRMA, has been nurturing young minds, along with the Vidya Dairy, which imparts hands-on training. Together, they serve as the intellectual and managerial backbone of Amul. Amul is the reason for her lingering smile, that represents the best of family life, that translates into education and emancipation for these girls, that uplifts them, giving them the power to direct their destiny.
પહેલા હું 5 લિટર નીકાળતી, અત્યારે હું 120 લિટર ભરું છું. અમૂલે તો એટલું જીવતદાન આપ્યું છે કે એટલી ખુશી છું, એટલી સુખી છું કે કોઈ બીજા ધંધાથી સુખી નહીં, એટલી સુખી છું. અમૂલ બહુ વફાદાર છે.
The success of Amul has gone far beyond the utterly butterly delicious butter that we spread on our daily bread.
ये गाय हमारे पास एक था और अमूल का सहकार से दूसरी 25 गाय लाया. अमूल से ये हमारा जीवन धोरण ऊंचा आएगा.
अब सबके दिल में रहता और दिल से कहता
अमूल भगवान जैसा से.
ટીવી આવી, ગાડી આવી, એમને ટેમ્પો આવ્યો, મોટા મોટા મકાનો બાંધ્યા, અરે ટેલિફોન આવ્યો.
Milk knows no class, caste or creed. It began as a symbol of protest. It grew to become a symbol of self-reliance for the farmers. To the women folk, milk means economic independence. For the children, Amul brings warmth and laughter into their lives. For the nation, it has created a brand that has become a symbol of trust. Amul is as Amul does. Amul, the taste of India, a toast to the world.
मेरो गाम काठा पाड़े जा दूध की नदिया बाहे जा कोयल टोको गाए मारे घर अंगना ना भूलो ना रे मारे घर अंगना ना भूलो ना मारे गाम की मक्खन रोटी लाए खुशियाँ छोटी छोटी खुश रह तेरा बेटा बेटी जैसे चमके हीरा